Hello my dear learners on the internet. Today we are going to improve our own operating system in browser more. This is part 3. If you missed part 1 and 2, the full playlist link is in description box below. Please don't forget to subscribe for inspiring me for the next parts. So, without any further delay, let's start today's video. At first, we are going to add some fancy icons to our app's context menu. We will be using Font Awesome to get the icons as always. One icon for open. Another icon for open as admin. Another icon for deleting app. Another icon for seeing the properties. Now it's looking better. But I want to improve the context menu more. So let's change its styling a little more to satisfy our eyes more. Mainly I am adding some paddings and changing the background color as per our theme color on hover. Now it is looking more professional. Our operating system has window maximize and close button. But there is no minimize button for the apps. As you guessed, we are going to add a button in the HTML with an ID of minimize. Let's add a minimize icon in the button. Now we need to make the minimize button functional. So, Let's go to our JavaScript file. Firstly, we have to take the minimize button into a variable so that we can use it later. When this minimize button will be clicked, the minimize window function will be called. So, we have to create a minimize window function. First, we need to close the apps window. We can create a div with a class of task. If the task is clicked, then it should call the open window function. Then we can create an image and pass the apps icon as source file for the image. Also the image alter tag. Finally, we can append the task div into our taskbar. If we click on minimize button now, it is closing the app, but not showing in the taskbar. To fix that, we can go to our CSS file and style the newly created task div tag and also the image tag. As everything is completed, it should work fine now. Wow! It's working. When I am clicking the minimize button, it is showing the app in the taskbar. If I click the icon in the taskbar, it restores. Let's test it for all of our apps. As it is working fine, we are shutting down our operating system and video both for today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like the video, share with your friends and families. In part 4, we will create some UI elements in our default apps and will try to improve the interface more. So, don't forget to subscribe the channel for the part 4. If you have any suggestion or idea, you can let me know in the comment box. It is always open for you.